Well, make or break time, there is absolutely no doubt about that. In our last review, we were looking at or stating that the double bottom was looming, and that's exactly what we've got here now. We've got a nice symmetrical ABC move to the downside off those highs just there, and this is the area that we were very focused on, just around that 1180, and that was from the double bottom, or the 1180 first hitting that point there, and got good buy support mid last year there. We got a nice rise to the upside, but it certainly wasn't impulsive. If you have a look at this, it pretty much was an ABC move to the upside, and that's where we need to be extremely cautious. If we got that extending and we got that nice 5-wave move, that would have been very positive indeed, especially breaking above this resistance line here, but we didn't get it. Clearly ABC only, something to be very cautious about, and at the moment we've got another ABC to the downside and hitting just on that 1180 area once again. So in that last trading day that we had just here, that could be quite positive. We'll just have to wait and see. It just could be quite speculative here. You always have people hanging around these double bottoms and making a speculative play on it, and that could all that be happening here. So I've got the double bottom in play at the moment, almost to the tick there, right around that 1180 area, and we got a good day here as well. As you can see, prices closed more towards the upper level of that price bar. That's quite wide ranging as well, quite positive indeed. We've got prices in a an oversold position, as you can see as well. Now you usually do get quite low volume between Christmas and New Year, and that's this low volume just here that we've had recently, and then we just got a slight rise. Now it's not high volume by any means, but for this period of time it is a little bit of a spike to the upside, so that's quite positive, showing that prices did close well off the lows as well. So I've got the double bottom in play now, and that's what's holding our interest for the moment. Now from an aggressive point of view, trading perspective, we have thrown in just a partial position type trade here. Now it's very aggressive indeed. If you're not of that risk profile, please leave it alone. Don't go near this at the moment. We've got a double bottom in play. We have got things oversold. So for aggressive traders, some half positions in here. It's a very tight trade, a buy at 12.19 and a stop below 11.80, so no real damage done if we do get caught out here, and certainly if it does prove to be a double bottom in play here, it could be quite a positive trade. No need for conservative traders to get involved at the moment. Certainly if this does continue to prove itself to the upside as we'd like it to, well, there'll be opportunity down the track to come in on other positions. But at the moment we've just got to see if this double bottom can hold. This could do anything, and gold, to be honest, is now high risk, as are all the other precious metals, in relation to exactly what it's going to do. We've got the double bottom in play here. Yes, we'll just see how that goes. The double bottom trigger, it won't trigger until it gets above that point right there, and that's at 14.35, so that's still well off at the moment. But if we do get a trigger above here, we are going to get a move of similar to that distance there and to the upside again. That's how those double bottoms are measured. So if we do get a break above that 14.35 area, it could be very positive indeed. We're not really looking at gold from a positive perspective until we can get back above that resistance area, not just back above it, but for it to hold above it. So that's well up more towards that 1550 area or so. We really need it to stick above there, and as I said, we're way off that at the moment and a lot of work to do. So at the moment, gold and precious metals in general are very bearish indeed, but we're just very interested, as we were in our last review, on this double bottom area. Let's see if we can get some buys coming in from here.